Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, I'm going to react to dogs welcoming soldiers home. Now, these types of videos always get me. I'm a bit of a softie deep down, and when it comes to his pets, especially dogs, they're just so loyal. All they want is their owners, just to be with them, spend time. And when they're away from them, it must be so hard for them, obviously for the soldier too, clearly, but suddenly you're gone. How do you imagine the dog feels? Like, where are you? So to see the person come back, just that huge emotion must be just huge. So yeah, this video, I'm sure, is gonna get me a little teary-eyed, but hey, why not? Let's do it.
Hey! Hi! Hey, buddy! Hi there! Hi!
So excited. Oh. It's just the excitement.
Let's just say I can never get them without a treat.
I love that. Look at the tail wagging. It's just the telltale sign of a happy dog. Oh. That's love right there. It's unbelievable.
Do you not recognize me?
Wow, that dog's so tall. Crazy. Oh, the jumping. Oh. Is that's a Jack Russell, right? I think. The dog doesn't know what to do.
What you doing, girl?
Hi! Hi!
Who is that? Is that Daddy? Is that Daddy? She whining a little. Is that your daddy?
Oh, the whining is just like,
She is so happy you're home.
It's funny watching them trying to dodge like.
And back. Oh, he is.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Because the soldier, the dog's just a part of their life, right? Whereas for the dog, you're like their everything,
Hi, guys.
Oh. Oh, it's great to see. It's great to see.
Du lugter dårligt. Ja, du lugter. Hej.
Who is that?
Hey.
Who is that?
Yeah, sure.
Who is that?
Hey, hey, hi, buddy. Hey.
Asher, who is that? Is that Daddy?
Yeah, sure.
Is that Dad? You're so excited. You're so excited.
Come here. Come here. Oh.
Is that a golden retriever, I think?
Is that Daddy? Oh, it's Daddy.
Man, yeah, it's just really touching, you know, really touching. It's like, I don't have a dog, but watching stuff like this makes me want to get one. Just the love, the loyalty, it's just hard to put into words. And it's great just seeing it, you know, just the outpouring of emotion from the dogs. Honestly, it's really beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.